Yo, there are certain things on a man that are massive turn-ons for women. I don't want to say I'm a female mind reader, but when a girl sees this, what she's thinking is, I'm turned on. I'm turned on. Yo, let's hop into this. Number one, your forearms. Don't ask me why. I don't get it. Look, I do get it, right? Strong forearms just means strong frames. It means strong hands. It means you're a handy dude, right? So you want to have strong forearms. This is why I've always recommended when you're wearing a long sleeve or you're wearing a button down, rolling up your sleeves to expose your forearm is probably one of the sexiest things you can do, especially if you do have strong, veiny forearms. Women love this stuff. Number two, it's your hygiene. Look, the bar is really not set that high. Like, we're still on kid level. Most guys don't take care of themselves. You being that difference, that you have a hygienic routine. You smell good. Your mouth smells good. There's no funky odors coming from you. You learn how to maintain your body hair and your body odor. You're already in the top 10% of men in her head. This is because male hygiene is so important to women, but so many men aren't doing it. See, with our company, Manscaped, I don't know if you saw, but we're doing a SPAC deal. We're going to be going public. Yo, over 4 million. You heard that right. 4 million men, 4 million trimmers. That's how much we've sold. Just the trimmers. At least 1% responsible for this hygiene revolution that men are having. See, our goal with Manscaped is to get men to start thinking about and actually taking care of their hygiene, especially the hygiene below the belt that so many men neglected for years, decades, centuries. Yo, just sit down and think about this. What other brand before Manscaped, and now there's a bunch of copycats obviously, but before Manscaped, actually took care of you and our ball sack? None. None. Absolutely none. This is why we're crushing it, bro. We are the leader in this category because we're trying to get you to start being more responsible about your hygiene. The cool part is that with our Perfect Package 4.0, you don't only get our Lawnmower 4.0, which is arguably the best ball trimmer in the market. Like, I don't even think you can debate that, right? 4 million trimmers, there's no other trimmer that's beating that at this point. On top of that, we have 2 grooming products. One is a ball deodorant, which, by the way, makes your balls smell delicious and keeps you sweat-free. And then the other one is a body wash. Those 2 come in that bundle. On top of that, we're going to gift you a free pair of underwears and a free dop kit and take 20% off to make this as affordable as possible. Matter of fact, we're also throwing free shipping to make it as affordable as possible so you can start having more of a hygienic routine. Boys, I want you to join the millions of men. I want you to be in her top 20 or 10% and start dealing with your hygiene today. If you guys want to check out that Perfect Package 4.0, which is, again, best selling in the market, right now is the time to do so. Click that link down below. Check us out. Number 3, having ambition. This is arguably the hardest thing a guy can do. A dude that's hungry, a dude that has his goals and dreams like clearly set, like, yo, this is where I want to be in the next 5 to 10 years. That's a dude that can get any girl. Like, when you're on a date and you guys are talking about life goals, if you're the dude that says, I don't know, I'll probably stay at my mom's till I'm like 35. That's the dude that no girl wants to be with. But you're on that date and a girl asks you that question, oh, where do you want to be in the next 5 years? What are your goals? What are your ambitions? And you just start boom, 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 detailing, yo, this is what I want to do. This is where I want to be. This is where I want to go. That determination, I'm telling you, this girl is literally just going to be looking at you like in awe, like, yo, marry me. Like, literally. Before, having great hair. By great hair, I'm talking about it can't be dry. It can't be greasy, dirty, smelly, slimy. It can't be overly done like you spent half an hour in the bathroom, but just right? It doesn't look like you took hours. It looks like you're shampooing and conditioning it, and it just looks like you just effortlessly did your hair. And the best way to do this, let your hair take its natural course. See, for me, I have curly, coarse, and wavy hair. So what that means, I'm not gonna spend like I used to 30 minutes to an hour trying to styling this thing. It's ineffective. Instead, I let my curls take control. I let my hair do its natural thing, and now it looks effortless. I just hydrate it. I make sure I shampoo and condition it. I put a good curling cream. I'm out the door. Number 5, being a confident kisser. Look, if you're not good at kissing, chances are you're not going to be a confident kisser, so your boy's going to help you out. 1, easy. Take control. What that means is that you're going to lead in, and then you're going to let her close off. Meaning you're not just going to go in fully and just smack a kiss on her. You're going to lead in, build that tension, and then let her finish that deal. Number 2, you're gonna control head movement. The easiest way to do this is by grabbing her face. First of all, women love the feeling of this, but more importantly, it gives you control. See, you get to direct her. If you want her to go right, you go left, or she goes left, you go right, versus you both just bumping heads and having this awkward interaction because you don't know what you're doing. Don't slobber. Try to control your saliva. Have soft lips. Look, if you have chapped lips, make sure you're exfoliating and using some sort of lip balm. You do all these, she's gonna think, yo, wait a minute, why is he so good? Why is he so experienced? First of all, why am I turned on by this? She'll probably think you hooked up with 100 girls. Little does she know it was your bro from YouTube that helped you out. Number 6, act attractive. I want you to act like you just got options, bro. You gotta act like she doesn't even make you nervous. You gotta act like you're the prize. Yes, this sounds douchey, but you have to understand women can almost sniff out insecurities. They can see an insecure guy from a mile away. No girl wants a guy that lacks confidence. And the biggest turnoff that almost every girl will tell you that she'll have is a confident man. So if you're walking in there like you're an attractive dude with options, like you're the prize, all of a sudden you're gonna negate some of that nervousness that you have and replace it with the appearance of confidence, and that's a turn on. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Manscaped. I'm going to have them linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.